Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over how to use the while statement in Java. First, we'll fast forward through some optional setup here. You can check out how to use a scanner in lesson 5. It will literally take less than a minute to watch. You'll notice through this video that I changed variables. I thought it'd be great to showcase how midway through development we can change variable names to have them make more sense. Now, in order to use the while statement, first we have to type while followed by a set of parentheses. Within these parentheses, we will set the conditions for the loop. We'll use the exclamation mark to state not. This statement says, as long as the user didn't enter yes, execute the preceding function. Lastly, place a set of curly brackets and set the statement that will execute. Feel free to set an optional statement outside of the while loop.